using the RT30 and RT32. Voltage mode. To begin, switch the transmitter to voltage mode. Clamp the transmitter onto the AC cable you would like to identify. If voltage is present, the amber LED on the transmitter will turn on. Switch the receiver unit to on. If the cable under test has voltage, you will hear a tone, and the amber LED on the top of the unit will turn on. Go down to the circuit breaker panel. Be sure that the yellow signal OK LED is on and stays on when you reach the breaker box. Sequentially switch breakers on and off. Once power to the circuit or cable which the transmitter is clamped onto is interrupted, the tone alert will stop and the amber LED will go off, thereby identifying the cable. Light mode. Switch the transmitter unit to light mode. Place the transmitter unit on a flat surface in the room directly under the light or circuit you need to identify. To set the unit to sense a light-on condition, cover the LED light sensor with your hand and push the light set point button. Turn on the receiver unit and test its operation. Go down to the circuit breaker panel. Sequentially switch breakers on and off. Once power is interrupted to the light circuit, which is sensed by the transmitter, the correct circuit which powers the light is turned off. The tone alert and amber LED will go off, thereby identifying the light circuit.
Okay, ready, Mark?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, here goes. How about that one?
No.
All right, that one?
No, it's still on.
Ever work on a job where you could have really used a helper? You need to find a circuit to shut off, and sure enough, most of the breakers aren't marked, or the labels aren't readable. You start flipping switches, running back and forth to see if you got the right circuit. Or you're working in an attic. You need to splice into a mid-run cable for a new outlet in the room below. But the existing Romex cables are a tangled mess. Cutting the wrong line can cost you valuable time and expense. Relying on someone else or running back and forth with a non-contact voltage detector in order to identify a mid-run cable is a thing of the past. Clamp on the new Extech RT30. Go down to the panel box and flip the breakers one at a time to easily identify the correct circuit which powers the mid-run cable you need to splice into. No confusion, no hazards, no helper, no problem. With the RT30, you can be in two places at once. The new RT30 wireless AC circuit identifier from Extech is a virtual electrician's helper. The RT30 is a handy tool for a single user to remotely identify circuit breakers, mid-run feed wiring, switch lines, AC outlets, and light fixtures without removing wire nuts or cutting into Romex cable shielding, and without an assistant. The non-invasive transmitter unit can be directly clamped onto installed building wiring and will accurately detect AC voltage applied to the selected wire or cable. When voltage is detected, it will alert the user by sending a signal to the receiver unit up to 50 meters away. An LED indicator and an audible tone on the receiver unit will alert you that AC voltage is present in that circuit. When the voltage is removed by switching off the right circuit breaker or by opening a junction splice in the circuit, the receiver's alerts will stop. When you can't access circuit wiring, the RT30 can also identify a circuit by detecting changes in room lighting using a built-in light sensor. In this mode, simply place the transmitter in a room and set it to detect if the room light is on or off. When the light goes out, the audible and LED alerts on the remote receiver will stop. Now the user can identify the right breaker or circuit which powers that particular light without checking and rechecking if the light went out, or needing a helper to check the remote light location. The RT30 also comes with an external non-contact voltage detector clamp probe for identifying circuits in awkward or hard-to-reach areas, or where the transmitter unit can't fit by clamping directly to the cable. The RT30 comes complete with transmitter and receiver units, remote clamp-on probe, batteries, and case. The RT30 wireless AC circuit identifier is a convenient must-have tool for electricians, plumbers, general contractors, do-it-yourselfers, kitchen bath remodelers, lighting installers, handymen, and anyone who needs a virtual electrician's helper. Find the right circuit quickly and safely with the RT30 wireless circuit identifier from Extech.